Bangalore, Orchids the International School, one of the leading international K-12 chain of schools, is excited to announce the launch of its Astro Fair, Go Cosmo Your Ticket to Space, a unique and engaging 3-day event aimed at fostering a love for astronomy, cosmology, and physics among people of all ages. The 3-day Astro Fair kickstarted in Bangalore on 10th May, promising an immersive blend of interactive activities, educational experiences, and entertaining learning opportunities. From building spaceships to gazing at the stars, this Astro Fair offers an astronomical experience unlike any other. Activities to include such as alien encounter, planetary ponder, gravitational gym, comet crafting, cosmic collider, virtual voyager, stellar spectacle, star seeker, and spinning spaceship workshop at the Astro Fair times Go Cosmo to ignite a passion for astronomy, cosmology, and physics in children and adults alike. Times the Astro Fair aims to foster critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and a deeper understanding of fascinating space concepts in children.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ms. Sakina Kasim Reddy. I am Vice President Acads. I take care of academic implementation of Orchids in Bangalore schools. And I have with me Ms. Jasmine. She is the principal of BTM Layout Branch. Today we have organized an event which is known as Go Cosmo. It is basically related to astronomy. Astronomy is a new subject that we have introduced in our curriculum. We started it last year. This year we have made it compulsory across all grades, from grade 1 to grade 10. And the objective of this event is to create awareness among the students related to the constellations and the star, and how the star, dies, and how the curiosity that the kids have about stars to some extent would be satisfied by organizing this event. We have set up a planetarium for the students. We have planned a lot of activities about astronomy as a subject, and I'm sure the kids will love this during the summer vacation, and we hope to keep doing these kinds of events in future as well.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಜಾಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ BTM ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್, ಆರ್ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ BTM ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ಈ ಗೋ ಕಾಸ್ಮೋ 3 ದಿನ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾನಮಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌ ಸನ್ ಮೂನ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೋದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ತೂಕ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೇನೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ನಮಗೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ 3 ದಿನ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್, ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆರ್ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿದು ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶದಿಂದ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈ ಇವೆಂಟಿನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
My name is Ajit. I am the head of astronomy and a vice president in the department of academic implementation. So when we started off with astronomy as a part of the curriculum in Orchids, a lot of people asked us, why astronomy? I mean, see, astronomy is what people study at the bachelor's level or master's level. Kids won't understand astronomy. We've been running a pilot for the last 1 year, and the kids have absolutely loved it, because what people don't understand, those who think about astronomy in a conventional manner, people have to understand that the kids love stars, they love the sky, they love the open space. One of the reasons we based this entire event on astronomy is merging that fascination. So you hear kids talking about, oh, there is an asteroid. Now I'm giving the kids a chance to hit an asteroid. Why? Because NASA is working on it. NASA is doing a DART mission. They've already done a DART mission. Or kids love comets. When will they ever see a comet? We will make them see a comet. What we are making today is exactly what a comet in the space looks like. That's what we are trying to do here. We are giving them a real life exposure. What will the space look like? We will take them into the virtual reality zone. I have a virtual voyager in which they can explore the space in a virtual reality. That's what we are trying to do. That's why I said, it is not just curiosity. It is also knowing that when you play to the passion and you play to the attraction of a child, that is where you are going to get the maximum learning curve. Children love to learn whatever they are attracted to. That is why we did an event that is not just another fun fair. We could have done another camp. We could have done another swimming activity. No, we want to do astronomy. We want the children to come here, and once they leave, whenever they leave, we want them to be very, very excited about, oh, I love this, I want to know more about this. I'll be glad if people want to come back to the event tomorrow or day after. That is the idea. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಶ್ರೀ. ನಾನು 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಆರ್ಕಿಡ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಾನಮಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗಿನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ತುಂಬ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಾನಮಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಷ್ಟು ಓದೋಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವಿನ್ನೂ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದರೂ ಆ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಥರ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಏಲಿಯನ್ ರೋಬೋಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಗೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಇವೆಂಟು ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ವೋ ಅದು ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Everybody, I'm Liva. I'm from Orchids. I study in 10th. Today they have organized by Go Cosmo at our school in BTM, and I'm extremely excited to know more about astronomy. There are multiple events organized such as cosmic shooting and planetarium and the stargazing. I'm more excited for the cosmic shooting because I was always interested in shooting, and I feel like knowing more about astronomy would always help us. Something more scientific elsewhere from our stories which we're aware of. And I'm really excited and I can't wait to see how it goes.